Are you looking for the latest newly MOP estate in Sengkang, District 19? Then I have an ideal 5-room corner high floor unit with a condo layout just for you. Here we are at Block 162C Rivervale Crescent, and this is one of the youngest cluster in Sengkang area. What I like about this location that it is near to an LRT station, to Rivervale Mall, and to an eatery just across the street. Here we are at the estate park with the playground for your kids, for the toddlers, and even the fitness corner for the senior citizens. And we're going to check out this corner 5-room unit located on a high floor, and it sits over a floor area of 113 square meter, which is exactly 1,216 square feet, and it contains 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and utility room, as well as a kitchen that comes with a service yard. So let's go and check it out. What I like about this corner unit is that your front corridor space can be used as a shoe cabinet and sitting area, and over here you can see that the owner has done up a full cabinetry work to conceal the household utility room, and there's a front display shelf that acts as a form of privacy for the family in the living hall. And when you step into this space, you are greeted by a wide vast living area where you can easily put in a TV console area, L-shaped sofa, and a big study desk for your children, as well as additional display and storage cabinets. This is very uncommon for HDB because this is the latest layout for the 5-room units. And what I like is that 3/4 height of the walls are filled with windows, and it allows for natural ventilation and lighting into the hall. And one thing to take note that this is a north-south orientation, which is very ideal for you and your family. Now moving along the hallway, you can see there is a designated space for your dining area, and you can easily put in a 6-seater up to an 8-seater dining set for you and your family. What I like is that the owner has placed a full-length mirror which helps to expand your whole entire visual space and makes it look bigger than it is. Now we're going to check out the kitchen area. Come with me. The kitchen area is so huge that 2 sides of the wall is flanked with top and bottom cabinets, and you have a PD glass sliding door where you can enclose the kitchen space when you are doing a heavy duty cooking. One thing good to know that you have your 2-door fridge, you have your convection oven that is built in, your cooker hob and hood, and a 2 kitchen sink. And behind you is the service yard where you can house a washing machine and a dryer, and the owner has also placed a storage cabinet for you. What I like is that this service yard is not facing directly to another service yard of another unit, but it has a good setback away from the opposite blocks, and this ensures your full privacy while you are at the kitchen. Let's check out the rest of the premises. If you pay a closer attention, you will realize that the living hall and the dining area is fully air-conditioned together with the rest of your 3 bedrooms. What I like of the ID walls is that the concealment is so clever that it hides away all the electrical and aircon trunking. Well, let's check out the first common bedroom. Now we are at the first common bedroom. You can see that the owner has put in a built-in wardrobe as well as a study desk which can double up as your TV console area, and the top hung display and storage cabinets. What I like about this room is that it is so spacious. You can put in a super single or even a queen size bed together with your massage chair. This whole entire design is identical for the next second bedroom, which the owner has used it for the children's bedroom. Stepping into the master bedroom, you will notice that this is very uncommon for such a huge size, where you can put in the L-shaped built-in wardrobe. You have your king-size bed with a bedside table, and over here you can afford to put in a study desk which doubles up as a TV console area as well as a top-hung display shelf. Right here you notice that this looks like a bay window, but it is a fully functional storage cabinet right beneath it, and you have your display shelf on this corner. You can just sit down here, chill, relax, drink your coffee, and enjoy reading your book. What I also like is that there are enclosed cove lightings which helps to create the kind of an ambience as when you like. So let's check out the master bathroom. This attached master bathroom is very similar to the common guest bathroom. The owner has changed the entire sanitary fittings and put in their cove lightings behind the mirror cabinets. You have your wash basin and additional storage space right beneath the sink. And over at the shower area, there's a full glass shower screen just to separate the wet area and the dry area. Just a stone's throw away, at Block 182A, you have your local eateries that operates past midnight, as well as a medical center, mini mart and a bakery. This is within 2 minutes walking distance to Rivervale Mall, and next to the mall is just a Rumbia LRT station. You have various selection of childcare centers, including the latest mega childcare center along Rivervale Crescent. One thing to take note that there are several primary schools that you can select from, such as Rivervale Primary, North Spring Primary, Sengkang Primary, and North Vista Primary. If you are doing your grocery shopping, you are less than 3 minutes walking distance to Rivervale Mall, where it houses the food court as well as the NTUC Fair Price supermarket. If you're driving, you're less than 1 minute drive to TPE Expressway via Rivervale Drive, or you can head down to Buangkok Drive and to KPE Tunnel, which leads you all the way to City Centre. If you like recreation activities, you can do your cycling and jogging along the park connectors that running Sungai Serangoon and leads all the way up to Coney Island. If you are looking for a spacious 5-room corner unit located on a high floor in Rivervale Crescent that is fully renovated and 100% move-in condition, then please do not hesitate to call me at my mobile number. I'm Sean from Urban Agents, and if you like videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in my next exclusive listing. See you then!